Numerous plants are susceptible to this widespread ailment. Toxotripana curvicauda is frequently connected to this circumstance. Female flies lay their eggs on young or very young papayas, for example. In stark contrast to the dark green skin, the fruit peel is pierced and dripping with sap. After hatching, the fly larvae tunnel through the fruit flesh to the seed cavity, where they consume the maturing seeds. On the fruit surface, the burrows are readily apparent. As the burrowing process spreads, the fruit flesh rotates, showing up as brown lesions that occasionally turn black as the rot advances. After that, the fruit releases an unpleasant smell and occasionally secretes a material that resembles sap. The peel turns yellow and may become pitted or rough. The fruit may ripen and fall prematurely. This condition often appears when the above symptoms arise from the fly, scientifically known as Toxotripana curvicauda. The flies lay eggs in young green papayas. Adult flies are often mistaken for wasps due to their similar size, colour and behaviour. The flies have a yellow body with symmetrical black markings on the thorax. Female flies have a long, narrow abdomen with a curved ovipositor that extends beyond the length of their body. The larvae are white, slender and about 13 to 15 millimetres long. Fruit can be attacked by multiple larvae simultaneously, and damage symptoms appear after harvest. Damage to the fruit is highest after the rainy season ends. The papaya fruit fly is a major pest in the tropical and subtropical regions of the Americas. Some natural techniques that might be beneficial are: this pest's population can be managed by the parasitic wasp species Dorictobracon toxotripani. Treatments like these may be employed as the issue worsens. Always take into account a combination of biological control and preventive actions. This fly doesn't seem to respond well to any one pesticide. Tests are being conducted on traps that contain pesticides, such as malathion or deltamethrin, together with a particular bait for male or female flies. Insecticide fumigation can be used to eradicate this pest from fruit, to reduce the likelihood that this may occur again. To track fly populations, put up sex hormone traps or keep an eye on damage. To stop flies from depositing their eggs on fruit, wrap it in paper bags, in sacks. Take out any fruit that has fallen or matured too soon from the orchard. Gather and discard immature fruit that is contaminated. To draw flies to the orchard, plant trap crops. To prevent the worst damage, harvest earlier. The fruit should be kept between 13 and 16 degrees Celsius. To destroy growing adult flies in the soil before they arrive on the tree, plough the area surrounding the tree. In summary, the fruit prematurely falls off and turns yellow. For further advice on plant maintenance and health, subscribe.